Page 16, O Come Little Children. I look it over, I see it's 4 lines long. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. 4/4 time signature, we have a pickup beat. So the other 3 beats in that measure should be someplace because this is beat 4. Now if you look at the end, the bottom of page 17, we see 4 counts. Now if I look around, I do not see another measure with 3 counts in it. In my opinion, that is an error. That last measure on page 17 should be a dotted half note, not a whole note. Because in theory, every measure's got to have 4 counts. It doesn't really affect how we play it. We're still going to come in on beat 4, and the other 3 beats are somewhere out there, so I'm not sure. Just technically, it's not correct the way it is. Then I see, quarter notes, half notes, whole notes, which are dotted half note, yeah. And that whole note should be a dotted half note. You can always change it to a dotted half note, and then you're correct. Add a stem and a dot. You got it. Now, the hands are playing one at a time, so I'm going to take both hands together. The right hand is here, second finger. And the left hand, when it comes in, is second finger on the B. So we're in middle C position here. And it's 4-1. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's basically the piece. So I go through the whole thing carefully, and then I go back through it however many times it takes and get rid of the hesitations. I'm keeping it slow still. I'll do speed later. Just no hesitations. Then I add the dynamics. P is soft. Whatever you think soft is. Piano. Just light. And when you get over to measure, it's measure 9. Above it you see gradually louder. We're going to go up to moderately loud, mezzo forte for measure 12. So you're going to take a couple measures to get there. So on measure 9, I'm soft. They can go up just a hair, then a little louder. Now, so I just gradually a little louder. It's like a measure at a time. So you have to plan these out, or you'll be loud by the beginning of measure, 11? Yeah, you'll be loud there, and that's too soon. And then at the end, measure 14, they want you to go softer again, gradually. So at measure 13, you're moderately loud. Now softer. Now softer, softer. See, on measure 14, I stayed pretty much loud until measure 15. Then I started coming down. It's a personal thing. You have to experiment, and how do you feel it? You feel these getting louders and softers. They don't always put them in exactly where they go. So you have to use the music and what do you feel is right on when to change. Now the speed, it's in the middle. It's not fast or slow. Now remember the pickup beat. I talked earlier about natural accents. We want that feeling to hear. It needs to feel like a pickup beat. Otherwise, people listening will think the first beat you played is beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And it'll sound off. So the first beat, just give it a little louder. Just play it a little louder. 5, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Don't copy me, please. That's one way of doing it. After a few cups of coffee or a glass of wine or so, I'm sure I would play it different. I play it by feel. How do you feel it? When you can play it at least slowly with no hesitations, let's check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts, 1 ready, go. And I'm not doing louds and softs. We're not performing. It's just notes and rhythms, slowly. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, off. Now there's a duet for this. I'd like to play that. And you play what we just played. Again, I need you to go up an octave. So pretend the middle C instead of here on the keyboard is up here. And in here, play it up here. Play it all up here. The accompaniment part doesn't have a pickup beat. So I'm going to play that first note with you. I'm going to play it down here. The first note, and then I'm going to do the accompaniment. 1, ready, go.